Hello everyone, good time. Let's crochet this cute pumpkin dish scrubby. I'm using this type of yarn and also 3mm hook. Let's start. To begin, make a slip knot and chain 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 22. Turn the chains. There are small bumps at the back of the chains. For example, this one and this one. There are some back bumps. In this row, I'm going to make my stitches into these back bumps. Skip the first 2 chains. Into the 3rd chain, back bump, make 1/2 double crochet. In next chains, back bumps, make 1/2 double crochet. Do this pattern by the end of the row. I have 20/2 double crochet. At the end of the row, chain 2, turn. This chain 2 is not considered as 1/2 double crochet. Then I make my first 1/2 double crochet into the first space. And consider each stitch has 2 loops. One is in front of me, the front loop, and the other one is in the back side, the back loop. In this row and each row from now on, I'm using the back loops only. Then I'm making my first 1/2 double crochet into back loop of the first stitch. I have 1/2 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the end, chain 2, turn. This chain 2 is not considered as one stitch. The pattern is similar to row 2. 1/2 double crochet in back loops only. 2, 3. The pattern goes on. Each row I have 20/2 double crochet, and each row I use the back loops only. Continue the rows until you have 27 rows. For example, look at this one. I've made this before. Each row has 20/2 double crochet, and I've made 27 rows in total. In last row, fold the work and join the two sides by slip stitch. Look at here. Insert the hook into the first chain back loop and to the stitch in front, the loops that's in front of me, this way. Yarn over and pull it through the first two loops and the loop on the hook. Next stitch, back loop, the stitch in front of it, and make a slip stitch. Next stitch, next stitch. The two sides are joined in this way. Cut the yarn a bit longer and use this for gathering this part of head. Do the similar thing for this side too. For the top part, make a slip knot and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip the first chain and make single crochet in next chain. Make single crochet in each chain. Five. I have 5 single crochet. Then I start chaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skip the first chain, slip a stitch into next. Slip a stitch into next and start chaining 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is my first chain. Insert the hook into the first chain and make a slip stitch. Cut the yarn. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my videos. Have a good time.